Hey guys, this is Katie with the Veggie option, and today we are going to be making an epic vegan macaroni salad. There are 3 reasons I love this recipe. 1 is because it's super easy to make with really simple ingredients. 2, because it's great for on the go, whether you have a family picnic in the park or you're going camping. This is a great recipe to pack ahead of time. And number 3, because it's a crowd pleaser, whether you're vegan or not. So the ingredients we're using today is gonna be a chickpea pasta. Now you can use regular pasta, but I love utilizing the chickpea pasta here because it's packed with protein and fiber. Then the vegetables, you can really choose whichever vegetables you want, but today I'm using yellow and red bell pepper, carrots, and celery. For the sauce, the base is gonna be vegan mayonnaise. We're gonna put a little bit of vinegar in there, some mustard, a little bit of sweetness with some maple syrup, and then the star of the show is the Spiceology Really Ranch salt-free seasoning. So step number 1 is to cook your pasta, and you wanna make sure that you get a nice al dente finish on your pasta because you don't want it to break apart once it's in the salad. So let's get this on the stove and make sure to salt our water. Okay, so while your pasta's cooking, we're gonna make the sauce that goes on this pasta salad. So it starts with about a 1/4 cup of vegan mayonnaise. And let me tell you, this tastes pretty much exactly like normal mayo. And so we're gonna get that in a jar here, followed by a splash of vinegar. This is white wine vinegar, but you can also use apple cider vinegar. That works really well in this recipe too. Then we're gonna do a little bit of Dijon mustard. If you're a mustard fan, you can add a little bit more. I happen to love it. And then for a little bit of sweetness, we're gonna do just a hint of maple syrup. I cannot resist adding maple syrup. Then for the seasoning, the beautiful thing about this blend is it has everything we want in here. So the Really Ranch is an awesome blend. I'm just gonna dig in there with a spoon to make sure I get all the goodness and add that in. This is one of our salt-free blends, so you can definitely keep this recipe salt-free or low salt. I happen to love salt, so I'm gonna add some in there. And then all we have to do is shake this to combine. So I love to do this in a jar that you can screw a lid onto. This makes it really easy to do on the go because you can prep your noodles, your veggies, and then have this dressing separate to add on when you're ready to eat. So once your pasta is done cooking, you just wanna drain the water and run some cold water over it because we really wanna make sure these noodles are nice and cool before we add our sauce and the veggies together. So once you've kind of rinsed these off with some cold water, we're gonna chuck all our veggies in. One thing I love about this recipe too is it's a really easy way to sneak in a lot of vegetables and a lot of different colors of vegetables, which just means you're getting a ton of nutrients in one side dish. So once you have those added, we're just gonna add in the sauce that we created. And then we're gonna shake this bad boy up. So once you've combined all your ingredients, you can dish up your macaroni salad and serve it. It is perfect alongside any barbecue main like a burger or hot dogs. And let me tell you, I took this camping this weekend and it was gone in a matter of seconds. So definitely a crowd pleaser, and I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks so much for watching.